Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to turn off screen time without passcode on your iPhone. So let me directly get into the step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is we just need to go over here in the settings. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to the screen time. Now from here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that we have an option to change screen time passcode. So if we tap on this one, we'll be getting two options. The first one, we have to change screen time passcode, and there is an option to turn off screen time passcode. So our intention is to turn off the screen time passcode. So just tap on this one. Now you need to give the passcode, and you don't know the passcode, so you'll be completely stuck. So what you need to do is, instead of giving the passcode, if you don't know, don't worry. Just tap over here in the forgot password. And now here you have to give your Apple ID and the password. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to skip this part and I'm going to give the Apple ID and the password. Now, after giving the Apple ID and the password, we can see we have an OK option. Just tap on the OK over here at the top. So right now, once you give for the OK, now as you can see, the screen time is completely turned off. So this is how you can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. Bye.